It's a 2013 Buick LaCrosse. We want to elevate your driving experience to embrace all of your senses. This luxury sedan will become a quiet sanctuary with leather-wrapped steering wheel and a remote keyless entry. Listen to music the way you want with the CD player, MP3 input, or using the newly standard IntelliLink system, which uses Bluetooth or USB to stream music from your smartphone. And we always have your safety in mind with the multiple sets of airbags, brake assist, and stability and traction control.
A universal remote transmitter is compatible with a variety of devices, providing security for your family. The satellite radio lets you keep listening to all your favorites no matter where you go. Your ride is stylish from top to bottom with the alloy wheels.
Take your ride to the next level with Buick's new masterpiece, the 2013 LaCrosse.
At Duke Automotive, we strive to achieve one goal: customer satisfaction. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 2016 North Main Street in Suffolk, Virginia.